Hi to all, my name is Ed with Street Dark, and in today's video we have Vevor. So let's open package up and see what we have inside. So to open package we're gonna use this special tools. Let's see what we have inside. Inside it should be let me see what we have. We have box inside. So let's take this out. And here we have nice package. We have Tot Tools half price. Okay, let's open up. Very nice box. And here we have another two boxes. So we get one. We've got two boxes. So we have a little damage. Let's see how to open this. Here we're gonna open it like this. Sorry, I'm using one hand, so it's difficult, but we'll manage. Yes, and now this are the tools for the vacuum pump. So in here we have vacuum pump, and here we have gauges for pressure. So we have here high pressure and low pressure. I'm gonna use this because we have this. Okay, let's see what we have inside. We have here connectors. Okay, we have in and out. Okay, I'm gonna see what we have else. Here we have some connectors and hose. We have 3 hose, blue, yellow and red. And let's see what we have here. So wait a minute. So the box is out, and here we have user's manual, vacuum pump, main flow gauge set, operation manual. Okay, here we have oil pump. I think this is sealed. Yes, it's sealed. Okay, that's new. Okay, and here is our star. So let me take this out. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Here's our star. Okay, here we have, don't have any oil. Okay, this is brand new. It has nice rubber. Okay, and this is 3.5 CFM. So let's start this, but first we need oil, because we don't have any oil. So let's put oil inside. So to put oil, just unscrew this thing, this cap, and put oil in. And I'm gonna need 2 hands. I see already a little oil here, but wait a minute. Okay, the oil is white, and I'm gonna pour it in. So very nice. Here we can see how much oil can go in. and nothing yet. And now we have a little oil, so we are at minimum. How much oil is it in? Half, let's say half this bottle. We have half, and that is 250 milliliters. Okay, and now all we need is power. Okay, here we have power, here we have connection, here we have, you can see the switch, but we're not gonna switch it on, so you put a cap on tight. You don't have to tight very well, very high. So let's unscrew this and put hose. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I will connect the hose and the gauge and wait. So I've just connected this to start and to test. Okay, so now we have here at 0. Now if I turn it on, it goes -30. We have a leak, but the leak can be here or here or here. I didn't connect everything, so just to start. So this is just a quick demonstration of how it works. So this line goes to air conditioner, and you need to seal this. Then you need to screw this. So you need to tie this valve, and then you see if the pump is holding the pressure. So what we're gonna do now is gonna do like this. So sorry for that. So now we are at the minus. I'm gonna try to close this valve. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it off. And now you see that the pressure is holding. So the system is good for checking, for vacuuming the lines. And now I'm gonna release it, and that's it. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. The next video will be of this. So this system is for do it yourself and mount your air conditioner. So thanks for watching. ZC Dark out. Bye. And don't forget to support me and like and share. Thanks. ZC Dark out. Bye.